Yeah, hello and welcome once again for the final time in the first test match.
Important passage of the play coming up. Ball. And that's why we saw the Pakistani bowlers struggling. They didn't know how to go about the job. The oldest trick, I suggest.
Shariful to Shan here on day 5. Swing and a miss. They've all gone up. The entire Bangladesh contingent onto the umpire. They'll have a discussion, and I reckon they have gone upstairs. Did they hear something that the umpire didn't? Let's find out.
Okay, yeah, take it back one. On screen signal now.
It has been a sorry test match for him.
The bat, Shan Masood, this time the outside edge, Babar Azam.
For the Bangladesh team here. Edge, dropped.
He squared him up. What a brilliant piece of bowling. And Liton Das, who has been absolutely magnificent behind the stumps.
Well, aerial, not from the middle part of the bat, but it'll still pick up a boundary.
That. Oh, he's got him! He's got him! Chopped on. Babar Azam will be so disappointed with that. Just as we said, he's been bowling too short. He pitches one up.
Gets the inside part of the bat and chops it onto the stumps. Have a look at that. His eyes lit up, trying to work it. The big fish, Babar Azam goes. Big wicket that they'll be looking for it earlier on. South Shakil. Oh, he's gone. He's walked right through that. That was a brain fade moment for sure.
One ball to go. And he dances down and whoa, that's a good bit of bowling, isn't it? Ball just straightens on him. What a wicket. First career duck. Saad Shakil, who got a big 100 in the first innings. Mohammad Rizwan, the hero of the first innings, 171 not out. There we go, the best score.
A lovely shot through the offside. Rizwan, the informed batter. And goes short this time. Rizwan hits this extremely well. And that too will go to the fence.
That's why he was unable to get the ball zipped through. Looks tired now.
This time pulled away, and that'll be another boundary. So runs really flowing.
Rizwan looking to bowl really full. Fetch the ball from outside the off stump. He's not going to hang back in Pakistan.
Abdullah Shafiq tries his luck, and there is that wicket. He tries to hit him down the ground. Shakib with the wicket. What an important wicket this is.
That the spinner is only going to get the ball turning away from outside the off stump. He jumped out of the crease on a ball which was pitched outside the off stump. A bit of grip. Outside edge. And Shakib has broken through. Once again, 2 for him. Pakistan in dire straits. Abdullah Shafiq goes for
Pakistan, he plays spin very well, a very accomplished batter. Edge taken, another one! Straight away! That is a brilliant catch at first slip.
first ball duck. Oh, that was brilliant bowling and brilliant fielding combined.
First ball duck, brilliant catch. Shaheen Shah Afridi walks in now.
That's kept low and that's kept straight. That's another one. Oh, Bangladesh, you are on the verge of history.
Because the cracks have started to open on day 5 on the surface. Look how low that is, literally unplayable. And Madison Mirage has picked up his second. He goes for 2.
Naseem Shah.
5. Gone. He's trying to heave it out of the ground. All he manages to do is hit it straight to the fielder. And it's Shakib Al Hasan who's picked up his third.
This is special stuff from Bangladesh. Not quite special from Naseem Shah. They're looking for 2 more. He goes back for 3. It's a 5th test match at home that they will draw. An unwanted record there.
Ball wasn't doing too much. It was just ordinary shot selection. That was better. He's looking for boundaries. And this is the right approach.
Clips it into the leg side, will bring up another 50. Know that the job's not done. The job is anything from done to Rizwan. Oh, he's chopped it on! Mehdi celebrates as Pakistan are now 9 down. Bangladesh need 1 more.
The ball was going across the right-hander. There's no turn to speak of, but he has to go. 51.
As Muhammad Ali comes out, Blue World City. That's a real spank. No pick up. Go for it, Karim Shah.
Come the end of this test match. Either way, there's a big appeal. Is it just outside the line? He's given it. He's given it. I wonder whether they'll review this. They will.
The original decision is out. Impact is umpire's call, and it's hitting the wickets, Adrian. On screen, signal now.
Excellent. Please have done so far. It's the spinners that won the battle. It's the spinners that has bowled Pakistan out 7 of the wickets. Yeah, they spun them around, didn't they? Shakib Al Hasan with 3, Mehdi Hasan Miraz with 4. The line at the bottom. And an intriguing day of Test cricket. Conjecture, conversation wrong. At the moment, it's not about that. Athar Ali Khan alongside. What a fitting end this will be for Bangladesh.
They need 30 to win the first ever test match against Pakistan.
Shaheen Shah.
2023. That's gone past.
Brilliant. Nicely clipped off and has the timing to trickle into the fence. Shot. Punched away through the covers, punched through the gap.
Four more. There you go. Bangladesh go on to create history. And they're all up in the stands standing and applauding the 2 youngsters who will remember this forever. Incredible. Simply incredible. It's a sight to behold. Not only they've dominated this test match, but they've gone on to beat Pakistan for the very first time, would you believe it, by 10 wickets. Congratulations to Bangladesh. Sweep that for a boundary. The sight of that ball going and hitting the cushions, and everybody gets on their feet. Yeah, unbelievable scenes here.
Coin fell in the favor of the Bangladeshi captain who put Pakistan in. 2 big centuries have registered a record-breaking win by beating Pakistan by 10 wickets.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.